Here's the tour. When you walk in, you go to the right. We have a bathroom right here. You keep walking. We have a bar. We have a fridge and everything else. Okay guys, so we also have our little bar right here. You know, could sit right here, make the little drinks or whatever. Have a living room area, and I guess if we want to eat right here. But also, then out here is our balcony where we just lounge at. Honestly, y'all, this has been the best part. We have our jacuzzi. Hubby about to get in there. And we have our chair. And this is our view off the balcony. It's so beautiful. So this is the balcony. Back into. But guess what, y'all? That wasn't the best part. We have upstairs. And even though I love it, I've been complaining about walking up and down. But it's so cute. And this is where the magic happens. But this is our bedroom. And it's so cute. And from our bedroom, if you look down, you'll see our balcony. That's so nice. And here, have a mirror. We have 2 sinks right here. We have another like tub, kinda, I guess. I don't know what that is. And we have a shower. I'm gonna show y'all how this come down because it's so popping. Hold on. Yeah, it's like it's raining on you. So out there we have another bathroom. We have a phone in the bathroom, which I'm just noticing. And that was the room tour. I told you guys the mirror right here. We have closets. They give you a lot of closet space. Like, we got closets. Closet, safe. And that's all. I'm done, babe. Me and hubby about to just go, I guess, go see the place a little bit. And then we got dinner at 8. And we got fucking stairs in this room, y'all. Like, we got fucking stairs. Like, I can't believe we got fucking stairs. And I'm already lit because I didn't eat breakfast today. We got up like 7 in the morning. So, excuse me if you see me being a little extra. But I will come back to you guys when I start getting ready for dinner. Swish, bitch on the shit. Pussy the click. We rich as a bitch. Yeah. Good morning. Oh, these are nice. Okay, great. Okay, guys, I officially ordered breakfast have arrived. But I'm mimosas. And let's eat. Sis was having a little bit of a hangover, so to eat, and hopefully this will make me feel better. What time is it? I'm 22. So we got 20 minutes, not an hour. All right, y'all. You want to take a picture? I'm about to send it. All right, guys, we're going on the beach. He's going to the jet ski, and I'm gonna be watching. Okay. Oh, babe, look at that jet ski just over there floating. Look at it just over there floating. I wonder how much there is in. We should get the fucking price. But yeah, guys, the water is so blue. It's so nice. But
Y'all, he done got me to get on the damn boat. He getting on the jet ski. I'm not getting on that shit. Hell no. Hey y'all, I know my video like all over the place a little bit. It's just like everywhere because I don't know how to vlog that well yet. So, but I'm waiting for the pool to heat up so I can. I'm waiting for the jacuzzi to heat up so I can get in the jacuzzi. And waiting for my boyfriend so I can take his pictures. And that's it. Mexico is so beautiful, y'all. The food is trash. Just like when I went to DR, the food is trash. But Mexico is so beautiful. I love it here. But yeah, waiting for the jacuzzi to heat up. It was meant to be. I know that I don't make things clear. Morning, y'all. So it's the next day. I didn't vlog last night because we ate at the steakhouse and it was kind of dark in here and it was loud. So I'm gonna try to get breakfast, guys. Let's go get breakfast. It's the view for me. How about you, babe?
Yeah, it's dope. I love it. I ain't going home.
You ain't going home? Y'all, we moving to Mexico. Y'all, Mexico done got me fucked up right now. Cause what the fuck is that? Oh, that nigga Paul's like he looking for us. Babe, why you ain't pick him up? Ooh, these people be up so early, y'all. Like, they be up really, really early. Really early. Oh, guys, so this is the area. We're having breakfast. We gotta have, well, we can take our masks off, but we gotta walk in with our masks on. But breakfast spot. I didn't see these yesterday. Ooh, muffins. And eggs.
And watermelon?
I just want grapes in my plate. Or watermelons and grapes.
Yes.
May I have watermelons, please?
Watermelon?
Yeah. Y'all, I'm eating my watermelons. You go ahead and get strong, babe. Mimosas. Cheers. Gracias.
You soft be careful.
Okay. Ooh. Now we looking like a meal. So y'all, I got steak. I guess this is potatoes. I guess it's the onions and peppers, and I don't know if those are tortillas. And I got hot cakes. And hubby got eggs. I don't eat eggs. And he got pancakes and oh, babe, they put your eggs on top of your your eggs on top of your steak. So we're gonna eat breakfast and I'll be back when we're about to do something else. So we just came back from breakfast. I'm about to, cause it was hot, I'm about to change my clothes, I guess. I don't know if I'm about to maybe shower, do my makeup, put on my bathing suit, and I don't know. So I'll be back when I have more interesting things to talk about. Y'all, we about to go to the pool, take some motherfucking pictures, and yeah. Motherfucking vibe. You guys, we about to go have a drink. I need a motherfucking drink right now. Like, I really need a drink. Time for a motherfucking drink, and it's hot. It's fuck. Oh, y'all. Ooh, I'm not fucking hot. We about to get a drink right now, babe. Then we can find where we're gonna sit at. Y'all ain't got me. Shots, because he said drink shots. My shit double. Ain't it? Look, y'all. Oh, you about to chase him away. You go chase him away. You go chase him. Yeah, that bird wanted my burger, but I'm not fucking eating. It's fucking chicken sandwich. I'm not eating that shit. Oh, he stole a fry. Oh, his homie about to go. Look, y'all. His homie about to go. Come on. I dare you. Oh, shit. He stole a fry.
You keep feeding him that.
I didn't give it. They took that shit. He told his homie to go get one. Come on. I dare you.
Crispin the night, I'ma hit that shit all night. Oh, you got that shit that I've been looking for. You must think I got to give it to me like you need it, baby. Want you to.
I guess they might have just came back and picked them up because they said nobody was laying there anymore.
I'm going for
I'm probably gonna be glad. Hope they got some food, because this food here was fucking ass. Hey y'all, just to say y'all, every time I go out the country, I feel like the food be trash. Like, I need some good old mac and cheese.
You got that from the dead cow.
Baby, scale 1 through 10, how lit are you?
Fucking 8. I don't want to get to a 9 or a 10. I'm at 8. I want to be at a 6.
You scared of the liquor, babe?
Hola.
Hola. He's scared of the liquor. He's scared of it.
I want to be at a 3.
Y'all, I'll be going back to our room. We was out for a long time. You lit as hell. Ain't nobody on their balcony being nasty. People don't be on their balcony. They fucking nasty. They got them fucking swings. What y'all was doing on them swings last night? Y'all, Mexico done wore me out. Like, I'm a little tired. I don't know what I want to do next. It's just so we got dinner at 8. The thing with Mexico is they make your reservations for you, like your dinner reservations, because you can't just walk in, but you gotta have reservations. So we got reservations at 8, and then I think we're gonna go to the club. Like, boy, what are you doing?
This is only for the confirmation. You are food allergy to the crab.
Yeah.
Crab, shrimp, everything.
Bring me here, y'all. Alright, sis.
I got sick of the cold weather.
Yeah.
Trying to resist you, we can get away. Palm trees, beach views, or the
Hey
night.
guys, so it's currently the morning after, and yes, I'm in the shower. We're leaving today. Some of the stuff I didn't get to vlog, guys, but it's because I was having so much fun. So I did try to show you guys most of the stuff, but it was really because I was having a lot of fun, so I didn't have time to vlog all of that, but I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I have a couple more stuff I'm gonna add in for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. But I believe everything. I love the hotel. I love everything. The food was just nasty as hell. Hey guys, so we're back to breakfast, and then to the gift shop. It started raining, but at least it's raining when we leaving.
Right here.
You want a picture?
You record that.
Cause it's on my vlog. Our last breakfast. And it's raining outside. Y'all, they do not cook your food all the way out here. Look, it's white. Making my way downtown. Y'all, my hair got so puffy. I got in the pool, got my hair wet, so it's like mad puffy. I don't know what the fuck they got in their water, but look at the view. It's the view for me. Oh, I thought they was going to the gift shop too.
No, I'm just thinking they shit trash.
Word. It's like literally ass over here. Like y'all don't got no music playing. There's ass over here. Our hotel. I think we got the latest hotel. It's the outfit for me. We about to go back in cool ass weather, y'all. Mall. The mall. Gift shop. I'm gonna get me one, my sister one, and my cousin one because for us three, me, my sister, and my mom one too. Y'all, it's so damn hot out here. It is so hot, but I'm gonna appreciate the weather because when we get back home, it's gonna be so goddamn cold. I got a tan, y'all. I think we both got a tan because we ain't even buy no sunscreen lotion. But left the gift shop. I had to go buy my baby something because she be acting like she mad when we go on trips without her. So, oh, the beautiful view. I'm gonna miss the view. Ooh. Had to change to our winter stuff because we're going back home. Y'all know we have to get shots before we leave. Shots before the road. Bye-bye. We loved it.
Check out coffee.
Oh.
Everything is so wonderful, except the food. The food is fucking nasty as hell. Alright, until next time.
I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions on replay. Sit right next to you. You.